everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to be doing a review on Pipeline Pro to know if it's actually worth it. So let's get started. Do you need help keeping track of your sales? Are you tired of using too many tools? Well, Pipeline Pro says it can help, but is it really worth the money? In this review we're going to look closely at what Pipeline Pro offers. So let's get started. It says it is the ultimate all-in-one sales pipeline management and marketing automation platform that makes all other obsolete, and we can prove it. They say they can prove it. You can activate a lifetime license or book a Pipeline Pro demo. Pipeline Pro is an award-winning platform. You can see the awards. No other software platform is this complete. Now, they say they have the unlimited sales pipeline opportunity stages. This is the core of Pipeline Pro. You can create as many sales pipelines as you would like so that you can see and track your sales processes at all times. Every lead you generate becomes a new opportunity stage, front and center in your Pipeline Pro dashboard. You can't grow what you can see. So you get unlimited sales pipelines. That's very good. Let's move on to Contact Manager. Every lead or prospect that comes into Pipeline Pro is stored neatly in the Contact Manager with all the contact information intact for flawless management of the relationship from suspect to prospect to customer. Relationship management is the key, so you get unlimited contacts. Next, we have the Calendar Conversion System. Your prospects can now book sessions right on your new Pipeline Pro calendar. It functions exactly the same as any outside calendar subscription service you may have, but with one critical feature that no other scheduling software has: your booking conversion data, from initial booking to the appointment to the sale. Very few know their appointment conversion numbers, but you will, so you get unlimited calendars. Next, we have Website Builder. If you ever need to create a professional website that can collect leads and add them instantly into your Pipeline Pro dashboard, you can. There is a fully functional, simple website builder inside. No need for fancy programming, just drag and drop. Unlimited website, no hosting costs. Let's move on. Sales Funnel Builder. This is a big one. You see, the sales funnels are the center of every successful business. Funnel Builder software can range from $50 per month to $300 per month these days. You now no longer need any of them. There's a robust Sales Funnel Builder right inside your Pipeline Pro dashboard with simple drag and drop technology. So you get unlimited sales funnels, no hosting cost. Blogging System. Blogging is one of the original core tools of the internet and is as relevant today as ever. Regular blogging can drive targeted traffic to your website, and it's a phenomenal way to promote your products and services and build trust with your potential customers. Pipeline Pro's simple drag and drop blogging system sits right into the website and sales funnel builder and gives you everything you need to bring your content to life. So you get an entire blog post, no hosting costs. It's really sounding real good. Next one, we have Chat Widget. A chat widget is a little opt-in box that you can install on the bottom corner of your website so that your visitors can get fast support from you and your team, which makes it easier to connect with your customers, like this one over here. Connect with your customers and make sales. This is a fabulous way to engage your website visitors and capture their info from your core website. Then we have Reputation Manager. Pipeline Pro Reputation Manager is a review widget that connects directly to Google so that you can generate instant feedback and online reviews from your customers. It's also a great way to show off your products and services, social proof sales. So press play below to go inside the MarTech magazine story. This is the founder. Wow, this is nice. They are in the magazine also. So moving on, you can manage your entire pipeline on the mobile app. You can see the mobile app where we have opportunities, contacts, private member area, appointments, and dashboard. You can manage it all. So you may be wondering, why should I go with Pipeline Pro? Simply put, no other platform on this planet is this complete with second to none training and support to help you build your sales machine. Look at the reasons, that is the advantages. Support ticket system. Pipeline Pro has an amazing dedicated member service team available 6 days per week. You can submit a support ticket anytime from right inside your Pipeline Pro dashboard. Live weekly trainings. Every week they host 3 live trainings and rotation webinars to support their members. Demo new features inside Pipeline Pro and answer questions live. Private members portals. As soon as you activate your lifetime license to Pipeline Pro, you will be sent a login to the private members portal where you will activate your dashboard, begin your setup, and get access to ongoing training, support, and ideas. Live community chat forum. You can access and post in the Pipeline Pro live community chat forum anytime inside the members portal. Connect with a tech support representative, a member service team member, or your fellow Pipeline Pro members from around the world anytime. You also get a complimentary one-on-one new member fast test section included. After you activate your Pipeline Pro license, you can book a free one-on-one 20-minute fast start section with a Pipeline Pro business advisor who will take the time to get to know you and your business, help you get Pipeline Pro up and running as fast as possible, as well as answer any questions you may have. A $150 value. Then we also have video tutorials and guided tours to technology. You will get access to an ever-growing, top-notch help library of training videos on every aspect of Pipeline Pro. Plus, take a guided tour of each feature of the software anytime. Pipeline Pro, whoa, sounds great. Now let's take a look at it. We've seen what they said, but let me just give a very quick summary of everything. So it's a tool that makes selling easier. It helps you keep track of your entire sales pipeline in one place. It is perfect for busy business owners who want to stay organized and close more deals. With Pipeline Pro, you can easily see where each deal is in your sales process and identify any problems. A lifetime license to Pipeline Pro is one of its excellent features. This means you only pay once and get to use it forever. This is a great deal for elite business owners who want a tool that will grow with their business. No more monthly fees, just one payment for a lifetime of sales management. Pipeline Pro helps you automate your sales processes, talk better with your team, and close more deals. Whether you are a small business or a big company, Pipeline Pro has the tools you need. Now, who created Pipeline Pro? Pipeline Pro was created by Celia Williams, a sales expert with over 15 years of experience. He said the Pipeline Pro is a vision to help businesses of all sizes improve their sales pipeline management. She believes that every business should have access to a robust sales funnel builder and marketing automation platform that could handle as many sales pipelines as they needed. Her experience and passion led to the creation of Pipeline Pro, a powerful tool that helps countless businesses streamline their sales processes and achieve success. As you can see, it is really great. We have the best features, we've mentioned all the features, we've mentioned the advantages, everything about Pipeline Pro. And the best part, you can even keep connected on the go by using the mobile app. So whether you are on the PC or using your mobile app, you can still connect and control. Next, we're going to look at the pricing. Now, if you want to go for a Pipeline Pro lifetime, how much is it going to cost? This plan costs $37. It costs actually $37. I told you only pay once. So pay $37 and you're good to go. And if you want the extra 2 or traffic hack package, extra any other thing, you pay $12 and it's $37. So you can see it's really good. So now let's look at the cons, because we look at all the advantages. We're talking about the advantages. Now let's look at the cons. The learning curve can be kind of steep for beginners, yes, and the pricing may be steep for smaller businesses, but not for other type of businesses because you pay once, and it has limited integration with third-party tools. So if Pipeline Pro is not for you, alternative, you can go for our HubSpot, Salesforce, Pipedrive, Zoho CRM, and Fresh Sales. So you can try those ones out and see, but don't forget to compare their prices and their features too. Now, my final thoughts or conclusion on Pipeline Pro. I would say it's a powerful tool for businesses that want to streamline their sales and marketing, and also offers suites of features including sales pipeline management, marketing automation, and customizable reporting. Yes, it might have a learning curve and a higher price point than some alternatives, but the benefits offered can be significant for businesses looking to scale their sales efforts. So if you're looking for an all-in-one solution to manage your sales and marketing, Pipeline Pro is definitely worth considering. So take advantage of their free trial and see if it is the right fit for your business. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.